My name is Joshua Wheeler, and I'm a business systems analyst for IT at Riverview Bank. We have 18 locations scattered around Southwest Washington and Oregon area. A lot of our retail locations are in areas that typically had a legacy DSL line as a circuit, but then also had Comcast as a primary circuit. With the new ruling from the FCC, we're noticing that certain carriers are dropping DSL. So we were stuck in a situation where we had to come up with an alternative to DSL. We started shopping around for residential and business connections. We tried to shop for the best price. As we found circuits, they ended up being kind of all over the place. It was difficult to manage all these, especially for 18 locations. We talked about things like sourcing 5G connections, like T-Mobile and AT&T fixed wireless to replace DSL. We talked about consolidating those retail circuits that we had bought into quantum shift circuits, and then getting things more or less on one single bill, which was great for our accounting. When all of our Comcast contracts were being renewed, we worked with a number of vCom people to get a complete new contract set up that was actually much cheaper, maybe 20 to 30% cheaper than what we were paying before. And we were able to double our speeds. In one particular case, vCom was able to solve what was otherwise a $500 to $600 bill down to about $180 per month, going from really expensive month-to-month contracts with DSL to T-Mobile 5G. And this was a really big win for us because the branches that I'm talking about were in these rural areas where they may be the only bank for that area, and uptime was really critical for those areas. We connect on a regular basis. We talk about a lot of different other challenges. We talk about issues with security. We talk about issues with data loss prevention. We talk to them about all sorts of different solutions. Right now, we're talking to them about security information and event management systems. So they've been a good partner when it comes to technology and being able to consult for us. We're not necessarily the experts in the market, but we know exactly what solutions we're looking for, and they help marry those solutions with what we want.